Okay, but finally there was one last curve. I think the road make a curve. So the last curve on the road. And the poplar tree ended, so they don't see poplar tree anymore, okay? And the rose lynx fields were realized. Daddy, that's not a cottage.
No, I agree. That's a
Mansion. Mansion is a big house, okay? Mansion. You see, that's a big mansion, like that. What's that?
cottage.
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 Mansion.
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 Can spell it?
M-A-N-S-I-O-N. Mansion.
Okay, mansion.
A large house.
Okay, a large and an impressive house. Okay,
A large house.
okay, mansion. It's not a cottage, that's a mansion.
And so it was a huge mansion.
Crunchy.
Crunchy.
Couch. What does that mean? Stay there. Yeah, that's crunch. Okay, crunch. Okay, like a person. That's crunch. Like a mansion crunching.
In the middle of
Formal.
gardens.
Okay.
What does this example of
Personification
tell you?
Okay, the mansion is a house, right? The house cannot crunch. Okay. Here it describes the mansion as a person crouching in the middle of the formal gardens.
It
Suggests
that the
height
of the house is somewhat hidden. It suggests that the house is cracked.
Croak and bent. Why? Crooked. Like that? Or like this? What's that?
Mansion. Mansion. Mansion.
House.
Crooked.
Crooked.
Crooked. Crooked.
Not straight.
Not straight.
Crooked.
Crooked. Round.
Crooked.
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 Crooked. Crooked.
Crooked.
Okay,
A crooked road.
I see. A crooked tree. Okay,
Crooked and bent.
don't know which one.
This
Yeah,
one.
good. Yeah. Mention. It was hidden over there in the middle of the garden. Good job. Okay. Okay.
Then move with the
What's up?
cricket,
Crooked.
Crooked.
cricket,
Crooked.
cricket,
Crooked.
cricket,
Crooked.
cricket. But straight, like cricket crowd,
The curved. You see?
curved,
You cannot straight.
Vaguely.
vaguely,
Vaguely.
vaguely,
Vaguely.
Okay.
at free,
Not clearly. Slightly. Okay. Okay.
Vaguely.
vaguely,
Okay, spread.
vaguely, vaguely.
Okay.
He is vaguely
Familiar.
familiar with the area.
That means he is a little familiar with the area. Okay. He doesn't know that area very well. He only knows some of it. That's called vaguely.
Vaguely.
Vaguely,
Vaguely.
Okay, spread.
vaguely.
I vaguely remember something. Yeah, okay.
Street, slightly,
Yeah, slightly. Okay, slightly. What's that?
little,
Yeah, that's what it means. Okay, it's adverb. What's
adverb,
okay? The vaguely wave. Okay, Ben waved.
vaguely toward the forest. They make small cup shop
Camps.
cabs for a whole while and then move on.
What's that? Is a name? I think probably it's a name. It's a name, I think.
We are looking at how, as well as how to say more confusing ones too. How do you say it? It's pronounced either penobscot or penobscot,
Penobscot,
Good.
penobscot or penobscot, penobscot.
Penobscot. Okay. Anyway, it's a name. The penobscots.
Penobscot, stick, like
Stick means kind of sticky, right? You know the word sticky. What the hell is that? Oh, maybe this one? Bus. Sticky like this one. Oh. I didn't know that. What's that? Do you know?
Vaguely.
vaguely,
Vaguely. Vaguely.
vaguely,
Vaguely.
vaguely,
Okay, can spell.
vaguely,
Okay, slightly or not clearly. I vaguely remember it. Okay, I remember it unclearly or vaguely.
Burr.
ba,
Burr.
ba,
Burr.
ba,
Okay, this is burr. This is called burr. It can stick on your pants. You see, stick on this dog here, head. Right? That's burr.
Burr. Burr.
Okay, you can spell it.
B-U-R-R,
Okay,
something that
sticks. Okay, stick. Okay. Okay, stick here is a verb. So the Penobscots stick like burrs. Wouldn't
give up they until still hunt and trap.
yeah trap
No way to stop
them.
them. Never got it enough for their heads. They still don't own this land.
Okay. Okay. I think here they means the Penobscots, maybe one kind of people. Anyway,
It suggests that the
Penobscots
Scots are
tough.
tough.
Tough here means not easily give up. Tough. Tough. You see, it's very strong, tough guy. What's up?
Burr. 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 Burr.
Yeah, the sticky thing, and tough.
Tough.
Tough. Tough.
Tough.
Tough.
Tough.
Tough.
Okay, tough. Okay,
Tough soldiers.
okay. They can go through the hardship. Okay, tough. Okay, spell it.
T-U-G-O-U-G-H. Tough.
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 Tough. Couldn't strong. No. Hard. Sturdy. Yeah, what's that?
Strong.
Okay. Okay. Strong. Tough.
It suggests that the
Penobscots.
of live in trees.
Okay, what you doing? Yeah,
This
good,
one.
good. Yeah, sticking like a bus, never give up. Okay, good job. Okay, we just read some of it.
The she draws until her crayons break and her paper strips.
No. Rapes. Rape. You rape a paper. Rape a piece of paper. You see? Rape. It's called rape, right? What's that?
Tough.
Yeah, tough.
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 What's that?
Strong.
Good.
Yes.
Rip.
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 Rip. Spell rip.
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 Okay, spell it.
R-I-P. Rip.
Yeah.
To tear or
Split apart. Okay. Rip that piece of paper. Okay.
tip the shred.
Rip.
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 Okay, spell.
R-I-P. Rip.
Rip.
Rip the package page.
Okay, rip the piece while turning it. Rip the page. Rip the piece of paper. Rip. Okay. Tear. What's that?
Tear.
Yeah, tear. Okay, we just read some of it. Okay. Her paper rips. Yeah. I think it's